What are your hopes and dreams for your children?
We want our children to grow strong and to have good values.
I want my son to feel cared for, and I want him to care for others.
I want my daughter to stand proud of who she is and to know she stands on the shoulders of her ancestors.
We want our children to achieve their own sense of worth and to be connected to something greater than themselves.
But in our rapidly changing world, it's more and more difficult to raise children rooted in their heritage and able to face today's challenges. More than 50 synagogues in the New York area, known as the Coalition of Innovating Congregations, are creating a new kind of Jewish education that partners with parents to support children with caring, connections, and values. In coalition congregations, children don't just learn about Judaism, they live Judaism. The Coalition of Innovating Congregations is turning parents' dreams into reality by moving the riches of Jewish learning beyond the classroom and into the real world. Our children do so much more than sit at desks and listen to teachers. In coalition congregations, children love Shabbat. Families learn and laugh together. Children put values into action by helping repair the world. They laugh and play and enjoy learning that is like Jewish summer camp. Children make friends. And they are guided by role models to ask their own questions and discover answers. The Coalition is transforming the way our children experience the wisdom and joy of Judaism. Our children develop deep connections, values, and knowledge to equip them for a resilient life in today's changing world.